Hey guys, what's up? So basically in this video I am going to be continuing the series of the shorts channel and also showing you guys the workflow of how I'm pulling these videos because I saw someone asking in the previous video comments. So I'm gonna be showing you guys the workflow, the whole process of how I'm generating the images and then moving them to animations and basically putting it all together at the end. So let's jump to my screen real quick here. And the first thing I'm doing is that I am using Grok. So what am I using Grok for? It's actually the free Grok. It's super useful. Honestly, I find it super useful. And what I came here to do was to create the background, the abandoned background that will be combining with the character, with each character. So basically, if you read here this prompt, I'm not gonna read it because I'm lazy. No, I'm kidding. But it's too long, so you guys can just pick it up from there. And it generated me a lot of images at first. It gave me a lot of options which I found really helpful. Like I never find that in any other image generator anywhere, and this one is free actually, which is crazy to me. Anyway, so I generate that there. It gave me a lot of options, as I'm saying. Not right now, but as soon as you do it, it does like generates a lot of options. I'm talking more than 20, you know. So after that, I took that and I brought it to LM Arena. I will attach down below the link. It's a Nano Banana Pro free tool that I'm using currently. So what I came here to do was to add the background of the forest with the character itself. So as you can see here, this is the prompt I'm using and this is the character. I'm attaching it here, nothing extra, just um, transparent background and then the background itself that we want to generate combine the character with. So it gave me these results, which is really good, honestly, for a free tool as well. To me, it's crazy that, but yeah. Then I generate the same one with Mr. Incredible, the same one with Elastigirl, and the same one with the kids. It didn't gave me a really good one with the kids, but it worked for the next step. Next, I came to Higgsfield and I went nuts, like for real here. Um, what I mean is that I generated a lot of images here. You can see I started basically describing with the first image that you just saw from LM Arena. I took it to Higgsfield and started generating different angles of the image. I think you can do that in LM Arena, but I don't know why I came to Higgsfield here to do it. And it came out really nicely as well, as you can see. I did the same with Mr. Incredible, the same with Elastigirl. It took me some different attempts, and the same with the kids. With the kids, it came out really nicely because this one didn't work so well. So that was the workflow with the images. And then I came to video in the same app in Higgsfield and tried to use different softwares, not softwares, but different tools within the same software of Higgsfield. So as you can see here, this one was generated with Kling, and this was the prompt. And so on with the rest of the characters. I used Higgsfield standard here, then use this prompt here, and so on and so on. With the prompts, you can go to a tool like Grok, for example. That's the one I use the most. And then I just tell Grok like, hey, I need a description prompt for a slow animation where the body is motionless. It's dead, etc., etc. I don't want any movement. um, I want the camera to move this way. Can you create me a very detailed prompt, and then just use that in the AI video tool. So that's pretty much the whole workflow, and I'm gonna show you guys right here the video how it came up.
She keeps on growing, slipping through my fingers all the time.
So I think it came up really nicely this time. I emphasized and focused way more on the background and making every single shot way more cinematic in a way. The previous, if you have seen the previous video I uploaded the first time, uploading the first video on the Shorts channel, it's good, but it was made with a frame to frame different scene type of workflow. So this one is a little bit different. It's closer to the original creator of the niche, and we'll see how it performs. So another thing I wanted to do is to show you the stats of the first video that we uploaded a couple days ago. This one is how it currently. This one is how it's currently looking. We're at 1,600 views. It stopped there. I don't know, it got like good sort of metrics, not the swipe rate though, it's really low actually. But the average view rate, if we see it here in dashboard, the average view rate was like 50%. Nothing crazy either, but it's not so bad. Again, the video quality wasn't the best, so maybe that's why. Also, we should leave it leave it perform a couple days more, to up to a week. You never know when a short can blow up really, or any video. But yeah, those are the stats currently as of today, January 5. And I'm going to be uploading this short that you just saw probably in an hour or so. But yeah, stay tuned for the next video. I'll be updating you guys on how this video I'll be uploading today performed among the following days. And that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one.